Yes, 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 yes. Okay. It's not bad. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Hey, you was on YouTube. This is the Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. What we got today? What we got today? What we got for you guys today? Yeah.
What up, Jobless? Joe, the remix, and the fashion. Joe, they call me Touch.
This is Kiepe Diavel Mini. The manual, the stand, the oil, the cable, little brush, 1, 2, 3 guards. So here is it, guys. This is Kiepe Diavel Mini. See that? It's 5 watts. This is how Kiepe Diavel Mini looks like. See that, guys? This is how it looks like. I already zero gapped it. So let's turn it on, man. It's not bad, but I wanna change the cutting blade. I was changing the blade of this Diavel clipper. I got a wall cutting blade on it, and it's cutting good now. So, and I guess I need to change the blade of this Mini also. Then I'm good. And the speed is awesome, really good. It got 10,000 RPM. You know, and the weight is not bad. It's really good. $190 and on the hand it feels good too on the hand. And another thing, you can make it also skeleton if you want. It's a good one. So peace out, man.
A relationship with the formative female in your life now.
My mother is an amazing manager.
What's a mom?
My mother was my manager as a child.
See?
Well, in my heart, finally. Which is just...
Father felt I should hire someone because you were the only expensive shoes. You know, my hotel is worth